Today we are going to look at subtraction of number in base 5. We have 3 different questions available for today's tutorial class. The first question, we are going to solve it together. We solve the second question together, while the last question, which is number 3, will be used as an assignment. When you solve it, you drop your answer in the comment section. Before we proceed, let me refer your attention to this notice. When a number is being borrowed, rather, it changes to the base of the word of the number. So we are going to use it. When it is time to use it, I will refer you back to that notification again. Then let's come back to this first question. We have 334 in base 5 and we have 213 in base 5. If you look at this, this will be what? 4 minus what? 3. We have 4 minus 3. We are going to have what? We are going to have 1. Since this one is not up to the base that we have here, then we are going to write the 1. Now, if you look at the second number, we have 3 minus 1. It's going to give us what? 2. If you look at it, this 2 is not up to the base. You are going to write this 2 as well. Then you are going to have what? 3 minus 2. We have 3 minus 2. That's going to give us what? 1. It is not up to the base as well. We are going to write the 1. All in what? Base 5. This is the answer to the first question. The second question, we are having 432 in base 5 and what? 124 in base 5. If you look at this, you see that this one is 2 minus what? 4. It is not possible for you to minus 4 from what? From 2. All you need to do is just to borrow 1 from here to this place. And this is where we are going to. That means in this question 2, we are making use of this word notification that says when a number is being borrowed, it changes to what? To the base of the what? The number. That is, anywhere we borrow here, we are going to change it to what? To the base of this number. And what's the base of the number? We have what? 5 here. So let's solve this question together now. We have what? Since 4 cannot go in what? In 2. What we do is to borrow 1 from this 3 to this place. That one being borrowed, it becomes what? 5. And this you are left with what here? 2 here. Therefore, you have 5 here plus this 2, making what? 7 minus what? 4. Then you are going to have what? 3. This place will be what? 3. You are left with 2 here. 2 minus 2, you have 0. Then 4 minus 1, this one, you have what? You have 3. Remember, the 3 is not up to 5. You have this place to be 3. Then all in what? In base 5. Thank you. Then don't forget to what? To subscribe to our channel, because more of what you need under mathematics and other areas will also be what? Taught under this channel. Thank you.